सेपट सेमिनार आसला बोले गति 5 मिनट लेट स्टार्ट ओके 10 ले सेंड कर दिला 10 रे जन के मिला सेंड
नमस्कार
गुड मॉर्निंग
सर
गुड मॉर्निंग
गुड मॉर्निंग सर
Yes, Patit.
Yes sir, good morning sir.
Good morning. Have you gone through that VSS Shastri?
Yes sir, just now I have live here and I have joined here sir.
No, he is very interesting things he is telling there.
Yes sir.
Really genius.
Yes sir, about magic squares.
Magic squares and how the Ramanujan means
notebook is writing.
The car number is how that important for car
yes sir, 1729 that number is that.
Really,
yes sir,
kind of
I will show you sir an interesting fact about the Ramanujan scripts number sir. I will also show you here.
But what to do? We have our own webinar, na? That's why I left there.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
They are also having 9 to 10. Now it will be over.
Yes sir.
Almost.
Yes, almost all cover sir.
Okay. Okay. Today you are having welcome address, na?
Yes sir. With your permission, sir.
Sure. Do well.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Welcome everyone and go ahead.
Yes, sir.
प्रदीप सर
yes sir, video on करबी की
सर
yes
सर ऑन कर
yes
कुछ ऑप्शन
आगे ठीक sir.
Sir, we will wait for another 5 minutes so that all the
okay. Yes
students will join with us.
yes sir.
After that, we will start.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Sir, you allow me screen share, sir, huh?
Sir.
Dimanjoti, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You allow
Yes,
me
sir.
to screen share. Right. Okay, sir.
So good morning, all the participants. We will wait for another 4 minutes. We will start from like sharp 10 a.m. As I have instructed, there was a math webinar by Unit 8 DAV Bhubaneswar. That's why we are just keeping the seminar after 10 minutes. So now, if all the participants, those who are going to present today, have already joined, kindly rename yourself by giving a 2 before your name. Every participant of class 9, those who are going to give their presentation today, along with Anvi of class 10, need to give a 2 before your name. Again, I am telling each and every participant, those who are going to present from class 9, along with Anji of class 10, need to rename yourself by giving a 2 before you. Need to rename yourself by giving a 2 before you. And all other participants need to mute yourself.
Sir, how many presentations are there today?
So today there are 9 presentations along with an introduction.
Okay, no problem. So it will take two sessions around 45.
It will take 3 sessions. I hope we will go for 4
Three
sessions.
sessions. Okay.
So students, if you have any concern, if you have you are just unable to connect or any problem, you can message me on WhatsApp. Don't call me actually. If you call me, then there will maybe some network problem. But again, I am telling each and every participant of class 9, those who are going to present today's their presentations, need to rename themselves by giving a 2 before their name.
Jivan sir, have you invited class 10 students?
Yes, sir. Simply, I have written those who are interested to need to join.
Okay. Till now, Anvi also not joined.
Good morning, sir. Is there in the
Jivanjyoti sir, shall we start?
No, wait for
Sir, we have to wait another
Yes, sir.
sometime. So
Okay,
that
okay.
some
Okay,
students
sir.
will
Okay,
join
sir.
with us. At 10:10, I have just informed them to join. So again, I am telling all the participants, those who are going to present today's session, need to rename themselves by giving a 2 before their name. Patish sir, let us
Yes,
start.
sir.
I hope
Okay.
those who are willing to join with us, they have already joined. So welcome to everyone. Now,
Yes, sir. Yes.
Department of Mathematics, I am going to welcome our most sincere faculty of our department, Mr. Patit Kumar Behra, to start today's session, to have some words on it. Sir.
Okay, sir. Sir, thank you, sir. Respected principal, sir, and all the members of the mathematics department, giving me the opportunity to welcome in the virtual platform, of that webinar. Jivan sir has taken me till the most punctual, so it is not that all of you are punctual, sir. Combined effort means we have to work as a team. That's why we can tell that alone I can smile, but together we can laugh. Like in this way things are there. If we will all together work, definitely it is a meaningful and also rememberable ones. So I feel great privilege for your choosing me as a welcome to all the students in the webinar. And one thing I am telling to you that this platform gives us a lot of opportunity to think out of the box, or also that critical thinking, or little, some of the problems are there thought provoking. Means generally while we are solving the mathematical problems are there, if we will think little bit out of box or critical thinking or thought provoking type of questions, definitely it gives us a immense pleasure to us
Satish
also
sir,
at that time. Yes, sir.
sorry for interruption. You have not shared your screen.
Okay, I will just share, sir. Now I am sharing it, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. So, sir, I am sharing the screens. Okay, sir. Just I am sharing the screen. Yes, sir. Am I audible to sir, all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can
Yes,
continue.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So, yes, sir. Yes, sir. See that, sir. See that I am sharing a screen here. Okay, sir. I am putting the restrictions.
Put the restrictions and
So,
share again.
yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Put. Yes, sir, I have put the restrictions. Now here you see that it is a digital platform or digital interface. We are going to show the webinar, and it is the first time we are doing. So definitely it gives us a lot of information there, because here many things we are going to see the hidden quality of that students. So that's why I am not taking much time. Just a very simple things are there. Education in the form of learning we are doing, and in the form of digital interface. So how it works, just I am showing to you here. So see here that after that how this digital learning is works here. Means in our day-to-day life situation, and now online education is going on. Every time online education is going on. By the help of the online education, we will know many things are there. Actually, before that we are doing the real class. Now we are doing the online class, and it is a given new idea. And here many things are involved there. Like in this, knowledge is involved there, skill is there involved, and ability are also involved there. Now here I am going to next share this online education, means competency based education, where we are making a project. There are our knowledge is involved there, skill is involved there, and online ability by in the form of making PPT or any kind of animations or any kind of things are there. Just here I am going to show you, as it is a mathematical webinar, so I am putting a one question to all of you. If you have know the answers, if you have know the answer, kindly give me here. So one question is there. Just it is a normal question. It is not a very big question is there. If six people meet each other and shake hands only once with each of the others, how many handshakes will be there? Clear? So how many will be there? Can anybody tell how many shake hands possibles are there?
36.
36.
36 is not answer. So I am going to show you in the form of algebraically also, in the form of geometrically also. Everything's are there. I am going to show you. See that how many are there? Now 15 ways are there. How? There is a formula is there. First person is doing seconds with that 5 persons, because total 6 are there. Then 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 15. One formula with that, sum of the first n integers is n into n plus 1 by 2. One formula is there. In class 7 it is that, it is class 7, 8 also, 9 also, 10 also. In 10 students they will the arithmetic progression by the formula of Sn, they will are able to find it. So it is that algebraical method is there, just one algebraical method. But here most of the students are not fit for able to understand how this is 15 happens. After that I am going to show you by the GeoGebra, by the help of GeoGebra, how it is possible to share. Clear? How it is possible to do that part. So I am again I am sharing that GeoGebra. By the help of that GeoGebra, how we are going to show it. Clear? Just a minute, it is coming. हेलो मुझे मीटिंग रही is a little bit coming that it is a new platform of that learning of that GeoGebra by the help of coordinate geometry. Those people are reading that coordinate geometry. It is a very important tools to know it, visualize. So see that I am taking the 6 persons are there. Here we are going for that 6 persons are there. I am taking the 6 persons are there in the form of that coordinates. So it is 1, 2, then 3, then here we were going to do 4, then here 5, and here 6. Now I have to join, they will hands, they will join the hands, they will join the hands, so they will form a line segment, they will form a line segment. So I am joining the hands. A will join to B, handshake will there. B is again to C, C is to D, then D is to that E, and E to that F, and similarly again F is also handshake to A. Now also A can handshake with E, then A can also D, then A can also do with C. Similarly, B also can do with F. Then this is our the B with can E, then B with D. Similarly, if C that A already of her, that C with F, then what is that here? Now C here we can find C with E. Then here you see that from the D point we will see, from D point to A already over, here it is already over, from D to A. So I have find many things are there. Just now I am little bit highlighted with a different color so that all of you can easily do these things properly. So I have given that. Yes, I am giving different color to this so that it is visible to all of you. Okay, just a minute. It is coming different colors so that we can visualize easily. Clear? I am giving different color of it. 2, 3. So here I am giving the colors to it. These are the colors are there. So I am giving the color here. Just one giving, which is not coming all at the time. So here you see that all the diagonals I am giving the color of it, all the diagonal, because handshake they have did, along with the side also they have did the handshake, and diagonal also they have did the handshakes are there. So now we will here we will count the handshakes are there. How many handshakes are there? Here is there, see that if we will count here little bit doubt for or little bit clumsy for here, one we will 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8 and 9 are there. So 9 total number of handshakes are there, and before that here 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 number of handshakes. So it is a geometrical significance, or it is a geometrical interpretation of that same question. So my dear child, I want to say that from this question, that a question is given you try to solve in different manners, because so that your knowledge also developed, at that time your thinking means your thinking skill also will develop, and these are the called thought provoking type of questions, and it will help us to solve many problems are there, to solve this type of problems, to many problems, because while we are coming to days in our day-to-day life situation, we have come across many questions are there. So at that time it will help to us. Now yes. And another is that today is that Srinivas Ramanujan's 100th death anniversary is there. So Ramanujan number is that 1729. All of you know that it is the smallest cube of two numbers. That 1 cube and 10 cube, that is 9 cube and 10 cube value is there, or 1 cube plus 2 cube. One of that, using the digits, how magic of that number, just all of you want to see that. I have made a number is there. Every numbers can be expressed, all the numbers in the form of square, cube, cube root, every numbers. 1 can be expressed 1 plus 7 plus 2 minus 9. Using only 4 digits are there. It is a Ramanujan number. In Olympiad also this question is coming. NTSC, NSTSC examination question is coming. 1729. How much power of it, that number? That mathematician, that Srinivas Ramanujan, he is an Indian mathematician, and he has got the given the number. How much use that? 1 is expressed, 2 is expressed, 3 is expressed. All the numbers up to 100 is expressed. How many different ways these expressed are there? It is a really a thought-provoking type of questions. Means here many operation comes to our mind, many mathematical concept also come to our mind. So in this way we will show new things are there. So everyone is love to see our project. So all of you have did excellently whatever the project today you are going to see or show. Yesterday also few of them students, your senior students, they have shown, they have nicely explained. You are also going to nicely explain. So with this, just I will conclude a speech, to conclude my welcome address. Means in Hindi, there is the stroke, there is a शायरी is there. That शायरी, with this I am concluding my speech. पाना है जो मोकाम, वो मोकाम अभी बाकी है. अभी तो आए हैं जमीन पर, आसमान का उड़ान बाकी है. अभी तो सुना है मेरा नाम, अभी तो सुना है मेरा नाम लोग में, और इस नाम का पहचान बनाना बाकी है. Because all are, you are very young, you have to go a long way. So I wish all of you come success in your future life. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Pasit sir, for such an inspiring introduction to all of us. So
Yes, sir.
Again, welcome to all of you to this today's second day of this today's webinar. I'm also feeling proud to welcome another special participant, Mr. Rakesh Mohanty from MMDAV Bhadrak, one of my batchmates. So I am very much happy to welcome you to this webinar. Feeling blessed. Welcome, Rakesh. So now it is just
thank you.
Now it is good. Now it is time to start the presentation. So the first group, Swapnesh and group. So Swapnesh and group, unmute yourself. Swapnesh.
Yeah.
Very good. So before starting today's presentation, sorry for the introduction. Before starting today's presentation, I have something to say. How we can forget the person who have made us learn mathematics, teach mathematics, or to gone through these mathematical concepts. So with this, I want to welcome Anvi Singh from class 10 to have an introduction of some mathematicians who have made us to learn this mathematics in a pleasant way. So Anvi,
yes, sir.
Unmute yourself. So
Yes, sir.
okay, let me share the screen. I hope it is visible to all of you. Yes, Anvi, you can start now.
Good morning, all of you present over here. I am Anvi of class 10. Before going towards the presentation prepared by class 9 students, let us discuss what is maths.
I hope there is some problem with the screen sharing.
No, that may be due to the network. Let's not. Try again.
ऑब्जर्वेशन बाकी है ये व्यू ऑफ देयर पार्ट ये आ रहा है विष्णुदेव आ रहा है पार्टनर है और 2 मिनट का काम तो सामने का पेज है ना ये नहीं कर पाऊंगा मैं भी नहीं पाऊंगा ठीक है पूरा साइन भी उनका आ जाता है
Pratik sir, have you stopped your screen sharing? Pratik sir? Pratik sir? Pratik sir, are you here?
Now screen you are sharing or Anvi is sharing?
Sir, I have to share, but it is just paused. I cannot.
No, I know that maybe the network is in the school building. In class 10, I think you are sitting. If you go to staff room, there may be a good network.
Pratik sir?
This may be the issue. If Patis is already sharing, then it is a problem. Hey, maybe sir?
I think Pratik sir is not.
Maybe sir.
Okay, sorry for the interruption. Let me.
This sir is not in the participant list, so I think it will be better to sir leave everyone and join again. There is some
No,
No, that's not the issue. You just make a call to Patit Santanu
Okay.
and ask him to withdraw the screen share. So anyway, student, just I'm sharing by the time that yesterday it was a very nice session of 2 hours around, and the students of class 10 really they have done exceptionally well, and all that presentations were integrated with arts and the culture of some of the historical events. So they nicely used the platform for competency-based education as well as art integration, and around 9 presentations were there. And all the students, I must say, because now you are in class 9, class 9 batches, most of them are here now. Your seniors have done very well. They have set a really nice example in front of you, or a nice way to inspire you. And once you see their slides, they may, if you require, they may give it to you. But they are now on. So it's now your time to take the inspiration from your senior and put your foot forward and ride your show. And now CBSE is also putting a lot of emphasis, all the internal marks. See, this time class 10 result, whichever exams could not be done, they have asked go from the PT1 or internal assessment and give the marks from their average, find out the average and give it to the students who have not able to give the exam, like in Delhi, Northeast, many of, luckily in our school, class 10 batch has appeared all the exams, whatever they have opted for. But other states, few states, they could not even attend 1 or 2 subject also. For them, internal mark became the very important and vital. So don't take it lightly. Any internal exam, maybe it's PT1, PT2, or your assignments, which is comprised of 25 marks. Everything really counts a lot, because in the future time, now they are going to do this. Now I think screen share is possible. So go ahead, Jivan Jyoti sir and Anvi. Your screen is now.
Sorry for the interruption, everyone. Anvi, you can start now. Anvi. Anvi, are you present? I think Anvi have left. So let us have a look on the first presentation, Swapnesh and group. I want to welcome Swapnesh and group to start their presentation. So Swapnesh, unmute yourself. Swapnesh. अरे ज्वाइन करो. Oh, sorry, sir. So sorry for the interruption, everyone. I need to just join again, so that we can proceed smoothly. Actually, it is going to end in 2 to 3 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. So better to join again and to start again in a new way. So all need to join again.